Good morning, everybody. It's currently 7:23 a.m. and 41 degrees. We're on our way to Autocross. We're gonna see if we can do something. I don't think we're gonna be fast because we're still on winter tires, but it's gonna be cold out too. So we're just gonna do what we can, have some fun. I got a new mount for the helmet here, as you can see. Chin mount, as somebody suggested. And I'm gonna try to get some ride-alongs, see if we can hop in the Plaid again if he's there, and just have a good time. There's probably not gonna be a whole lot of talking in this. It's probably gonna be a bunch of different clips, but we'll see what we can come up with as the day goes on. So what's one of the advantages Tesla owners have over other drivers? Well, we have a built-in training software that we can get warmed up with for when we're at Autocross.
Okay.
Oh, oil slick. Oh, I look so goofy right now, I guarantee it. First run of the day. Winter tires, very cold. We're sitting at 60 rear, 40 front. -4. Traction control, hopefully you can hear me all right.
Whoa, it's getting light. You're going up and over hump. You're doing a lot of different
My glasses are fogging up. Sideways into this weird box. That was good, that was good. Tires didn't squeal as much as I expected. Definitely got more sideways, or actually slightly less sideways than I expected. I might need to push more power to the front to try to keep that in line. We'll see if we can get a better run next time. We are 2 runs in now, and the biggest issue that I'm running into is 2 sideways. If I put too much power in the exit of a corner, I'll just drift the entire thing. Or if I whip it too hard into the corner, sideways. So, I tried airing down the tires. They were at like, I don't know, 45 or 50 probably PSI in the rear. Well, actually all the way around. I dropped it down to 40. So we'll see if that makes a difference. I definitely don't want to push any more power to the rear. When I had my Pilot Sports on here, I was able to do 80-20 and not slide as much as I am now with 60 rear, 40 front. So, and that's 80 in the rear, 20 in the front. So we'll give it another shot whenever they get their timing issue fixed out. What year is this?
It's an 07.
Okay.
Yeah.
God, those things just fucking take off.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm gonna hold on to, but
That's pretty much it, or the sides of the seat.
got it.
Kinda.
Grips.
That felt slippy to me, but.
Did it? I'm sideways like the entire time in my car, so.
Oh. Yeah, tires make a huge difference.
I have PS4s. It's just gonna snow next week, so.
Oh, yeah, yep.
I haven't put them on yet.
This will just stay in the garage.
Run number 3 with tires at 40 psi compared to 45 or 50, whatever it was earlier. That was better. I wasn't nearly as sideways as I was last time. 47.5. I think that might have been faster. Honestly, I think that might have been faster.
This is my 2012 Golf R. It is kind of full bolt-on, I guess. So stage 2, tune, downpipe, some suspension, tires, wheels. Got my car seat in the back still. Going racing, take the kid to daycare tomorrow. It's always fun.
That's how you do it.
We'll see how it does this time with cold tires.
And foggy glasses as usual.
Dude, it's bad, right?
It sucks.
I have to like breathe a couple times first and then
At least yours sit on your face all the way. Mine are
yours
like,
don't go all the way back. Oh yeah.
They don't go all the way down.
Yeah. It's a struggle for sure.
Go get it.
Good save.
Hell yeah. You saw that, huh? Oh my gosh, shit!
43.2. Hell yeah. Make sure your head's back there.
Send it. Electric for the win. Oh gosh. It's so smooth though.
Right? I need to put my springs on.
Oh, you get lowering ones?
Yeah.
Dope.
Poor tire. Understeer.
It seems like it's so consistent. Nice.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that was so good, man.
I think that was slower.
46?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. No. Yes, maybe. Oh, babe. Be careful.
These tires are not happy.
Yeah, my grandma would not be happy.
was that? Yeah?
This is how you're driving the whole time.
Yeah.
What's that?
If I had my better tires, it'd be even faster.
Oh no.
You'd throw up?
No.
Okay. Time. We're gonna run traction control at 0. We were at -4. And we're gonna run 50-50 power. See if that helps a little bit. And we'll go from there. Next time I got a little surprise for you guys. Because it doesn't seem like I'm gonna be able to get any faster with these tires. But we'll still have some fun. Very sideways right there at the end.
Go get him.
That was awesome.
At least I stayed on the track, you know. 2 weeks ago I was up here. I left the track a couple times. So what'd I do? 43.8.
That's impressive.
Well, for just street tires and being an amateur.
Yeah. Good.
Alright, go.
So I'm blasting running in the 90s, but to avoid being demonetized, please play in the background or enjoy this royalty-free music. So a question I'm assuming some of you might have is, how much battery do we use racing it all day? Did 7 runs. So on a normal day, let's start with that. Usually I'll charge it to close to 90%, usually about 88. Then I'll drive it to work, drive it home, it'll sit in the parking lot and whatever. Usually I'll get home with about 75% or somewhere between 75 and 80%. So today, when we got there, we had 82%, and it's about a 20-minute drive for me, so I charged it to like 90 something, 92, maybe 93. So we lost a little bit driving there, going 60, 70 the whole way. And now that I'm driving home, I'm about halfway home. After racing it, having it sit in the parking lot, driving around getting food, going to the bathroom, whatever, I'm at 63%. So that's not bad for flooring it for a couple hours, honestly, and then, you know, commuting back home comfortably, listening to music, chilling. so that was overall a successful day at Autocross, I would say, even with my winter tires. That last run, when I was blasting Eurobeat, I got my fastest time of the day, even though I DNF'd, so it would have been faster if I could have made it through that box instead of having to basically stop and then go around. I'm gonna post the times on the screen right now. There should have been 7 runs. At the time of recording this, there's only 6, so maybe one of them didn't get inputted yet or something, or I don't know what happened. But good day overall. Met some new people, made some good friends. Had a good time. Now I'm tired, and I'm gonna go home and go to sleep. Thank you for watching, and of course, as always, like, comment, subscribe, share my videos. The more you do that, the more content I'm able to put out, the more frequently I'm able to put it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Check out these other videos. Have a great rest of your day.